Hello! In today's video, you'll learn the R sound. The letters A and R together makes the R sound. To remember the R sound, let's add a fun jolly phonics action to it. Place your finger over your mouth and say ah, 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 just like the dentist is doing to the little child. Let's do it again. Ah, ah, ah. Good job. Whenever you see the AR in words, remember to say ah. Let's practice reading the AR in some words. K, R, car, car. R, arm. J, R, j, R, jaw, jaw. Art, art, art. St, R, st, R, star, star. T, art, t, art, t, art, tart. Ch, R, ch, R, charm, charm. Good job, kids. We've come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you.